Dear students, welcome to one more new video of social science. In this video, let us see important multiple choice questions which can be expected from 10th standard sociology unit 4 social problems. Dear students, I have already prepared the videos of 1 mark questions of all lessons. If you want to see them, you can see it by clicking on the links given in the description. Let's begin. According to the Indian Constitution, child labor means children below the age of 14 years are working for the financial consideration. Children below the age of 18 years are working for the financial consideration. Children working for the financial consideration. Children above the age of 14 years are working for the financial consideration. Correct answer is option A. Children below the age of 14 years are working for the financial consideration. Child Adolescent Labor Prohibition and Regulation Act came into existence in the year 2016, 1986, 1988, 2018. Correct answer is option B, 1986. Child Adolescent Labor Prohibition and Regulation Act of 1986 was amended in 1988, 2016, 2018, 2017. Correct answer is option B, 2016. According to the Article 14 of Child Adolescent Labor Prohibition and Regulation Act of 1986, a fine of rupees 50,000 and 2 years imprisonment is imposed on violators. A fine of rupees 10,000 and 2 years imprisonment is imposed on violators. A fine of rupees 50,000 and 5 years imprisonment is imposed on violators. A fine of rupees 50,000 is imposed on the violators. Correct answer is option A. A fine of rupees 50,000 and 2 years imprisonment is imposed on violators. The main reason for child labor is failure to implement Land Reforms Act, lack of social environment that honors and protects child rights, failure to implement compulsory and universal education due to agricultural crisis resulting out of drought. Correct answer is option B, lack of social environment that honors and protect child rights. Let's move to question number 6. The major solutions for the problem of child labor is, options are ensuring all the children below 18 years to be in the schools, providing employment opportunities, implementing strict laws, creating awareness among parents. Correct answer is option A, ensuring all the children below 18 years to be in the schools. Let's move to 7th one. Protection of Children from Sexual Offences Act was implemented in the year 2011, 2009, 2010, 2012. This act is also known as POCSO. POCSO Act was implemented in the year 2012. Option D is the correct answer. Next MCQ. Protection of Children from Sexual Offences Act was brought into effect on July 12, 2012, May 15, 2012, June 19, 2013, June 19, 2012. Correct answer is option D, June 19, 2012. Let's move to 9th MCQ. According to this act, any act of unsafe touch, exploitation, violence, harassment, and assault on any children under the age of 18 years is considered as sexual offense. Options are Child Adolescent Labor Prohibition and Regulation Act, Adolescent Labor Prohibition, Protection of Children from Sexual Offences Act, Sexual Offences Act. Correct answer is option C, Protection of Children from Sexual Offences Act. Let's move to 10th MCQ. As per the census of 2001, the female child ratio for every 1000 boys was. Options are like this: 945, 933, 950, 935. Correct answer is 933. As per the census of 2001, the female child ratio for every 1000 boys was 933. 11th one, as per the census of 2012, the female child ratio for every 1000 boys was 940, 933, 950, 955. Correct answer is 940. Let's move to next MCQ. As per the census of 1991, the number of women for every 1000 men was 950, 980, 960, 990. Correct answer is option C, 960. As per the census of 1991, the number of women for every 1000 men was 960. As per the census of 2001, the number of women for every 1000 men 965, 960, 933, 940. Correct answer is 965. As per the census of 2001, the number of women for every 1000 men was 965. Children mortality rate is more among girl children because of the failure of various nutritional programs, lack of education, lack of suitable laws, lack of education among parents. Correct answer is option A, the failure of various nutritional programs. Question number 15. Preconception and Prenatal Diagnostic Techniques Act implemented in the year. Options are like this: 1995, 1990, 1994, 1993. Correct answer is 1994. Let's move to next MCQ. The law prohibiting female feticide was implemented in the year 1995, 1990, 1994, 1993. Correct answer is option C, 1994. Let's move to next MCQ. Preconception and Prenatal Diagnostic Techniques Act was implemented to stop female feticide, child labor, sexual assault, sexual harassment. Correct answer is option A, female feticide. Let's move to next MCQ. MCQ number 18. Invisible hunger refers to child abuse, malnutrition, prosperity, the above poverty line. Invisible hunger refers to malnutrition. Option B is the correct answer. If the requirements of individual like proteins, carbohydrates, fat, vitamins and salts are not fulfilled, then it is called as hunger, invisible hunger, lack of food, visible hunger. Correct answer is option B, invisible hunger. According to Food and Agriculture Organization FAO, in India, an individual needs 1642 calories of food, 1820 calorie of food, 1632 calorie of food, 1822 calorie of food. According to FAO, in India, an individual needs 1820 calorie of food. Option B is the correct answer. A person is considered as a person suffering from hunger and malnutrition if he or she receives less than 1820 calorie of food, 1920 calorie of food, 1732 calorie of food, 1632 calorie of food. Correct answer is option D, 1632 calorie of food. Option D is the correct answer. Let's move to MCQ number 22. According to the Global Hunger Index, India's rank is 200, 50, 100, 150. Correct answer is option D. Option C, 100. As per the National Family Health Survey 4, NFHS4 of 2011, women in Karnataka rural areas have a body mass index of 16.2, 20.1, 23.7, 24.3. Body mass index of rural women was 24.3. Option D is the correct answer. As per the National Family Health Survey 4, NFHS 4 of 2011, women in Karnataka, urban areas have a body mass index or BMI of 16.2, 24.3, 25.8, 20.4. Body mass index of urban areas women was 16.2. Broader gender-based inequalities between men and women were identified by Mehboobu'l Haq, Professor Mir and Baldwin, Amartya Sen, Karl Marx. Broader gender-based inequalities between men and women were identified by Amartya Sen. Option C is the correct answer. MCQ number 26. The inheritance right resides with the women in Kerala's Nair families, Goa's Nair families, Nambudari families of Tamil Nadu, Nambudari families of Goa. The inheritance right resides with the women in Kerala's Nair families. Option A is the correct answer. Let's move to question number 27. The primary reason for the child marriage is failure to implement Family Reforms Act, gender discrimination, failure to implement compulsory and universal education due to agricultural crises resulting out of drought. Correct answer is option B, gender discrimination. The primary reason for the child marriage is gender discrimination. Child Marriage Prohibition Act was passed in the year 2006, 2007, 2008, 2009. Correct answer is option A, 2006. Let's move to MCQ number 29. Toll-free number of children is 1093, 1097, 1008, 1098. Toll-free number of children is 1098. Option D is the correct answer. Inhuman practices like Devadasi system promotes sexual slavery and child labor, child marriages and child labor, sexual slavery and child marriages, dowry and child trafficking. Devadasi system promotes sexual slavery and child marriages. Option C is the correct answer. If any human being below 18 years is recruited, transported, sent and owned with the intention of exploitation is called as child exploitation, child trafficking, child marriage, child labor. Correct answer is option B, child trafficking. Immoral Human Trafficking Prevention Act was implemented in the year 1954, 1956, 1955, 1964. Correct answer is option B, 1956. Balika Sanghas have been formed to prevent corruption, child labor, communalism, dowry system. Correct answer is option B, child labor.